of the 180 students in a college course, 1/4 of the students earned an A, 1/3 of the students earned a B, and the rest earned a C. How many of the students earned a C for the course? So we have 180 students, and of these students, 1/4 got an A, 1/3 got a B, and the rest got a C. So what we know is that if 1/4 got an A, 1/3 got a B, then that means that the rest got a C. So if we add 1/4 plus 1/3, we can simplify this to 3/12 plus 4/12. So what I did was convert this numerator to 12 by multiplying by 3. And so we have to multiply the numerator by 3 as well. So this just becomes 3/12. And then to convert this denominator to a 12, multiply it by 4, and then multiply the top by 4. Because you have, in order to keep the fraction the same, you have to multiply the top and bottom by the same thing. But now they have the same denominators, so we can go ahead and add them. So we'll get 7/12. So 7/12 of the students got an A or a B. And that means that the rest got a C. So if 7/12 got an A or B, then that means the rest of the total is just 5/12, because 7/12 plus 5/12 equals 1, and 1 in this case is the total number of students. So that means 5/12 of the students got a C. So we just need to calculate what 5/12 of 180 is. So what we need to do is multiply 5/12 with 180. So now we just need to multiply 5 with 180, because multiplying in this case is just equivalent to 5/12 times 180 over 1. And we know that 180 times 5, if we do that really quickly here, so 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 8 is equal to 40, 45, or it's just 40. We carry over the 4, 5 times 1 is 5, and then add the 4, that's equal to 9. And then then we can simplify this to 900 over 12. So let's do that. So 900 divided by 12. So in order to do that, we can do 90, to do long division, we can consider the first two here. So how many times does 12 fit into 90? It fits into 90 about um, of the 180 students in a college course, 1/4 of the students earned an A, 1/3 of the students earned a B, and the rest of the students earned a C. How many of the students earned a C for the course? So we have 180 students. 1/4 of them got an A, 1/3 got a B, and the rest got a C. So we need to find out how many of the students got a C. So let's calculate the total number of students that got an A or a B. So 1/3 plus 1/4. We can calculate how many students got an A or B. So 1/3 plus 1/4 is equivalent to just writing 4/12 plus 3/12. So I just converted these two fractions into 12ths by multiplying top and bottom of this by 4 and multiplying the top and bottom of this by 3. So 4/12 plus 3/12 is just equal to 7/12. So that means 7/12 of the 180 got an A or a B. So that means if we multiply 180 by 7/12, we'll get the total number of students that got an A or a B. And we can just simply do that in our calculator. So 180 times 7 divided by 12. That's just equal to 105. So that means 105 students got an A or a B. And since there are 180 students, the rest got a C. So we can do 180 minus 105, and that gives us 75. So that means 75 students got a C. So the correct answer is F.